Heart disease is the second leading cause of death in North America. Research has shown that coenzyme Q10, tocotrienols, and fish oil can help maintain a healthy heart. AIM CellSpark 360 is a unique combination of these three heart-smart substances. Coenzyme Q10 provides potent antioxidant capabilities, while the tocotrienols, which are forms of vitamin E and fish oil taken from cold water fish, help to maintain healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. The fish oil also serves as a dissolvent for the CoQ10 and tocotrienols. These three ingredients work together to ensure adequate energy production at the cellular level and maintain a healthy blood lipid profile. In addition, the combination of coenzyme Q10, tocotrienols, and fish oil work together synergistically to improve your heart health. And the soft gel format of AIM CellSpark 360 increases the bioavailability of the product. Don't miss a beat. AIM CellSpark 360, the smart choice for your cardiovascular health.
Everybody wants energy, so it's a natural energy. It's not something that you're all of a sudden, boing, and then you crash. It's not like that at all. You could take it, I take it at supper time, and I'm not awake at night. So it's not that type of thing. You just feel better. It's a sense of well-being.